Okay, yeah, so a very simple one today. I don't want you to overlook it just because it's simple, though. Recently, I talked about how um, to make something happen with the mental creation science, you have to have two things. You have to have a desire for it to happen, and you have to have the belief that it will happen. Desire and expectation. Okay? Now, of course, when you're starting out with something new, a lot of people start with really ambitious goals, which is what I covered before. Now, there's one chapter in Think and Grow Rich called Decision. And it seems very simple, but most people, they don't decide. They don't say this is going to happen, and that's that. And the reason why, a lot of times, is because they're still starting out, they're still new, and they set astronomical goals. What I want you to do from here on out is, especially if you're starting, set goals that you can say, I'm definitely going to make that. I really want that. Say you want 5,000 bucks. You're at minimum wage right now. You want to save 5,000 bucks or you want to earn 5,000 bucks. Say to yourself, set that as your goal, for instance, and say, I will earn that 5,000 bucks. I will. And work towards it and make sure you complete that goal. And then once you earn 5,000 bucks, you'll have expanded and become a new person. The person that you needed to be to earn 5,000 bucks. Because right now you're at minimum wage. You haven't learned how to work, and the person you are hasn't expanded. By the time you expand to this other person, you can set bigger goals. And you can say to yourself, I know I can do that. Now what's the next goal? 15,000. Sure. I will definitely hit that goal. And of course you believe you can do it because you already saved 5,000. If you believe you can hit 25, go for 25. It doesn't have to be something you know how to do, but it has to be big enough for you to desire it really badly. Like I really want that. But it's got to be small enough where you can say, I decide that I'm going to get there. I'm going to figure this one out and I can do it. So that's my advice on decision. Form the habit of always following through with your choices. Don't set yourself up for failure with gigantic goals that you just cannot fathom right now.